Welcome to this AutoCut tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to apply different caption styles for different speakers in your video, perfect for interviews, podcasts, or multi-speaker content. Let's start by organizing your audio. Move the audio of your first speaker to one track. For example, place them on A1 and the second speaker on a separate track, like A2. Next, open AutoCut and go to the Auto Captions feature. We'll begin with the first speaker. Select only the audio track they're on, in this case, A1, and define the section you want to caption. Once selected, click Validate Section. Now, it's time to customize the style of your captions. You can change the font, color, background, and more to match the tone or personality of the speaker. When you're happy with the design, click Apply Style. Then, set the position and size of your captions on screen so they don't overlap with other elements. Double-check your transcript for accuracy . Once that's done, repeat the process for the second speaker. Edit the style to make it visually distinct from the previous one. And keep the same position settings for consistency. Finally, review the second transcript and click Add Captions.
Stuff at first. YouTube tutorials were my university.
What was your first software? Like the very first timeline you ever dragged a clip into?
I think it was Windows Movie.
And that's it! You now have clean, customized captions for each speaker, all done directly with AutoCut. Don't forget that AutoCut provides a 14 days free trial, no credit card required.